Terrorist crimes in the era of digitalization, forms of activity and measures for counteraction. Antonova Elena Yurievna. Abstract. Objective: to elaborate recommendations on counteraction against terrorist crimes committed in the digital, cyber, space and/or using digital technologies. Methods: the methodological basis of the research are the universal dialectic method of cognition, the integrity of general and specific scientific methods such as analysis, synthesis, logical method, ascent from the abstract to the specific, induction, deduction, etc. Results: it was determined that the development of the digital, cyber, space and digital technologies promotes the intensity of terrorism, and has led to the change of the mechanism of terrorist crimes commitment. A conclusion was made that, to provide the efficiency of measures for counteracting terrorist crimes committed in the digital, cyber, space and/or using digital technologies, a distinct strategy is necessary, as well as the appropriate regulatory basis. Scientific novelty: the article analyzes such forms of criminal activities of terrorist groups, committed in the digital, cyber, space and/or using digital technologies, as dissemination of the ideology of violence and propaganda of terrorist activity, recruiting new members and their training, implementing digital technologies for preparation and immediate terrorist activity, and funding. The advantages were revealed of the use of digital space and/or digital technologies when committing terrorist crimes. In the author's opinion, the change of the mechanism of terrorist crimes commitment associated with the use of digital technologies should be taken into account during criminalization, change of the intensity of penalization, of publicly dangerous deeds. The important areas of state policy in the sphere of counteraction against these crimes are education and enlightenment activity, training of the personnel of law enforcement agencies, broadening their authorities to ensure a clear and effective control over digital content. Practical significance is due to the possibility to use the formulated conclusions and proposals for further scientific elaboration of the state criminal policy in the sphere of counteraction against terrorist crimes committed in the digital, cyber, space and/or using digital technologies. Additional information and the full text of the article can be found on the journal's website. All links are in the description below the video. The video was prepared with the assistance of Kazan Innovative University named after Vitaly Gainilovich Timirazov.